They're about to teleport.
Jesus.
Placing swarm grenade. Swarm grenade
Going up.
Let them come.
Should be one elbow.
Placing alarm bot.
Oh! Let's go!
Careful now. Enemy spotted.
Placing
That's
swarm
awesome.
grenade.
I'm happy with that.
Taken down.
Enemy spotted.
One
I want the
elbow,
ace.
one long.
I want the ace. No! We were like, people think I'm joking in chat when I was like, I got COVID, dude. I have uploaded every single day for like the last like 5 months, dude. I just missed a whole week. Like, Jordan, can you buy me? Mr.
Hold on,
Moneybags
fixing
over there?
my eyes. Here,
Is it as
take
bad
my
as people
lamp.
say it is?
Yeah.
So apparently, like everybody experiences different symptoms. For me, it was just like my head wanted to explode.
Here's
Like I
my
had the
label,
worst
please.
headache in the world. I had a fever
So, Viper
most
plays
times, but not all the
round.
time. Like it kept like fluctuating. So I'd be like
Phoenix
chilling
came out
one day or
short.
one morning, and then the next morning, you didn't drop me.
No, the vandals over
Oh,
there.
okay.
Our teammates
I didn't
dropped
have a
like
cough.
4
surprisingly.
shorties.
Like at all. I had like the first day, and then after that, I was fine.
Reload.
I'm sending it, boys.
Viper was to your right.
Oh, I'm garbage. She's in the thingy, dude. I panicked. I panicked. She's like in here.
Placing swarm grenade.
I think she's in there. I'm scared, guys. Oh no. Okay, I'll wall for you. Let's get that bomb down. Let me get that bomb down. Somebody watch you, please. Oh god.
Spike's on it.
Thank you, homie.
One shower, one shower.
He's here. He's here. He's there. He's not here. He's not here.
Joke's over. You're dead.
Woo! I want that
On
body.
heaven.
Pushing out
I
shower.
want that body.
Coming to us. Oh. That's his ulti.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Here.
He's default box.
Good job.
Did you see his head move,
just
dude?
not
He like
take that.
he did the little thing where he pops his collar and he moved his head forward. I was like, God damn it, dude. Dude, I love everybody in chat who's like frequents or like homies. People will be like, what rank is he? And everyone's just like, he's radiant, dude.
Three shorties.
He's just radiant. I don't know why you asked. You couldn't tell for watching him?
I was on the right for sure. Nice.
Dude, I'm radiant.
Yeah, okay.
Sight. Viper
Send
sight.
it A.
That was
I'm
incredible.
just not gonna
Going
stop.
Swarm grenade.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Human or not, that
Aw.
Omen can be killed.
What?
Oh, okay.
Attackers win.
Me
GG.
too.
The game.
GG.
The next champ gonna be a gargoyle. See a
Wait,
lot of
hold on.
gargoyle shit. On the
What,
battle
what
pass.
was the...
Sky was
the...
the character, and she did have a T as in the last battle path.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of gargoyle. It's either gargoyle or giant ant, and I'm okay with either.
Okay, let's look through this battle pass. Let's find the next teaser.
I think it might be the calling card in the 8th bit of it. The secret lineage card.
Ooh, so you think that it's that one? Because I was going to go with the calling card in the 10th tab.
Calling card
The
of the 10th
10th one?
tab.
Oh, and you said an 8th?
Oh, the Memento Mori.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I saw this too,
Like
and I was
that's-
like, maybe this is like the next character is gonna be able to like slow down time.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, that's a weird little symbol to have there.
Yeah, we
with a
also don't know
name.
who Mori is yet, so unless Mori is like something in a different language.
It could. I mean, Memento is Spanish. Hopefully, that's not the name of the character.
Oh, somebody says remember death. That's what I mean.
Ah, yeah, makes sense.
Oh, let's go.
Lucas requested join.
Yeah, no,
What a loser.
mother, freaking spammer.
I can take it.
Thank you. I've been so lonely.
Dude,
Bro, this
what
is
is what is this breach? This breach is following.
They're pushing out. They're pushing out of A.
This fuck is gonna disappear probably. Like, what is this? So
Reloading.
My aim was terrible.
I don't know what this guy's doing. Literally, that whole class conversation, he was in front of me, just going, "Hey, hey,
Hey.
Hey,
hey,
I'm
hey."
Yeah.
planted. Shadows traveling.
What? I hate this game, dude. I literally can't shoot anything right now. Fuck this game.
Y'all.
This Breach is an asshole too, dude. He has 2 kills. He can go fuck himself. Homie, you got 2 kills too. You can also go fuck yourself. Just for the record. You're just talking smack and shit all game, dude.
It's unrated, chief. We're allowed to do whatever.
I don't know, dude. Just if you're gonna be all talk, dude, like I'm gonna call you out on that shit.
I'm watching YouTube.
Okay, I'm streaming.
I'll give you a sub.
I appreciate the link. I love you.
Just don't let me see it again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's a common occurrence for me. For the most part, I don't get angry at games, dude. I'm not a teenager.
No way. I don't believe it.
You do the ninja meme.
Enemy remaining.
Oh, he's stuck in it. Whoa, my god. Balls of steel on this guy. Oh my god.
What's sad is it's an unrated and they're triple opping. Like, he's my manager.
It's a CS joke.
Oh, I was gonna say when did I ask, but if it's a joke, then
Who plays CS, dude?
yeah, CS is such a dud game. What am I, like 10 years? Hello?
He's the manager. Does that mean that he cheats in tournaments?
That's a coach.
No, it's
Oh,
an old
that's a
thing
coach, my
that
bad,
Dave
my bad.
said on a stream one time when he was really triggered.
Don't die to him, please. Oh, you want to chill and smoke with me?
Yeah.
That could have been my ace.
Shadows traveling.
Little did they know if you flashed into that smoke then.
I was kind of prepared for it. I was like thinking that was a possibility, but that's good. That's good shit. So the reason that Valorant gets so stressful is because the game itself is just very slow and it's very like punishing, right? When you die, it feels like you have no control over the game and you could die to such like stupid things. Or you just go down and it's just like, okay, well, what the heck, dude? Like, what was I supposed to do about that? The way that I get around it is you generally just care less about the game itself and you care more about like the improvement in the process. Recognizing, this is the big thing that worked for me recently in League. Just recognizing that you're going to lose games. It's just gonna happen. Sometimes you'll lose a game, but knowing that you'll be able to win more than you lose is like generally a lot more comforting, where it's like, I'm going to climb. I just know I am, you know? Like eventually I will climb if I keep playing. That's a lot helpful for me.
There's a Roomba.
I'm
There's also raised mid.
all the way
There's
in
a lot of it.
Omen TP
all
mid.
the way up in it. Okay, I'm
He's
trying to-
blinded me.
I'm kind of stuck in the spot.
Annihilated.
Nice.
I don't think there's another one.
They're all pushed up.
Ah, damn. I tagged Phoenix a little bit, and I think Reyna's tagged. They're all side. They're all side. They're all side.
Reloading.
So much conversing, they don't hear me. Found it.
Spike
Flash
planted.
through the...
Aw, back room.
Reload.
Both.
Both
One
arches.
enemy remaining.
Oh, right side.
Reloading. Reloading.
Just don't get me wrong, but
Well, I think they're on the safe round, but they have My man used 3 flashes to get past 1 smoke.
One enemy remaining.
He's insane.
oh.
On site.
Yo, if I had accuracy in the air, I would have killed her. I just wanted to point that out. I can't do a 960. I can't even do a 360.
On your sense?
Yeah, dude.
There be.
I think I can do.
I think I
like
might be able to do like a 290. Like,
Are you talking from the center of your mouse, like where your resting position?
no,
or
from the
your-
end, dude.
Your full mouse.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah, my full mouse, dude.
Like,
Like,
oh my goodness.
If I put
can
my mouse
do-
here and I do like a, that's how far it takes me before I hit my PC. Like,
If I do my full mouse, wait, I'm moving while I do it. That doesn't make sense. It's like Wait,
yeah, that's about what I make.
360 for sure.
That's where I make before I go off my mouse pad, like right here. I want to play
I'm
in
in
there.
position.
Omen TP'd on top of arches, I think. I'm scared.
I'm scared too. Oh no, he's right above me. Like right on the box above me. Got him.
Why didn't you shoot him right away?
He backed off a bit. Like I
Oh,
saw his
okay.
hand.
You like looked at him. I was like, what?
One enemy
Last
remaining.
one's A main.
traveling.
I prefer not to die.
Hopefully we don't see it. Another one? Another one?
I just got shot through the smoke. I did 108 to him though.
I'm the best teammate. Oh no, I'm the worst teammate. Blind.
Unimportant.
One enemy remaining.
Sight.
Shadows traveling.
Got better at winning. I win most games, for the record. I have a high win rate. I just, I don't play. If you watch me play, you wouldn't guess it. Like, I perform very average. Like, I'm pretty good at making callouts and like leading them. Like, I make good decisions. I back my teammates up.
Nowhere to run.
So.
The hunt begins.
Oh my gosh, teammate!
One enemy remaining.
Easy.
Defenders win.
How's it going, guys?
That's going pretty good.
We're still sitting on site waiting with the Odin. Oh no.
Shitters. Wow, dude.
I was just sitting.
I guess we're garbage, dude. Because they threw with what, a 10-2 lead or whatever.
10-2 lead.
Ridiculous,
They even
dude.
win a round?
They won like 2 rounds, dude.